What's up, y'all? JustZay here, back on the pickup. Today we got a super duper special unboxing. Today we're unboxing a pair of shoes coming straight from Adidas. These are, of course, the PureBOOST 5. And one of the things I love about this shoe is not only the price, but it's the tech that they use. So you get the same tech that's in the ULTRAboost 5X for a fraction of the cost. And maybe you can make an argument that these are slightly better than that, but that's for you guys to decide. But for me, I already got my mind made up. These shoes are a sleeping giant in my eyes. So let's get into it. All right, so the tech we're referring to, of course, is none other than the Light Boost. And one of the things I love about the Light Boost, as well as the PureBOOST, is that it gets better and better with time, especially each year. They come to find some way to improve it. And one of the ways they've improved it most recently is the weight. So you get more boost with less weight on your foot. So you have the Light Boost right here. That's going to be on the soles of the shoe. You're going to have the reflective 3 stripes right here. Going to have reflectiveness over the upper part of the mesh. And then you're going to have reflectiveness right here on the other side, as well as on the back. You got reflectiveness. So you have the 3 stripes, you have the reflectiveness, you have the 3 stripes, the reflective. You're going to have the mesh, 3 stripes, and then a nice lace closure right here. And then, what else? Oh, this is going to be Adiwear. It's not Continental on this particular model, which is totally fine. I mean, this is a great amount of traction. So for the price point that they put this in, retail when it's not on sale is $130, but I got these for under it was under 80. I think it was $79. So you can definitely find these a little bit cheaper if you just surf the web. So it's just a matter of what color you want to go in, what size you are. So the term less is more, that's exactly what they mean by this shoe right here. You get less weight and more boost. And to put that in perspective, these are a pair of the OG ULTRAboost right here. You can clearly see the difference. You can clearly see which one has more boost on it, but you can't clearly see the weight, nor you may not be able to feel it, but you can weigh it up so you know, or at least you can fact check. So you're looking at, this is the OG pair, size 10.5. You're looking at, and then when you get the PureBOOST, you're looking at,
what's that, like 49 grams the difference? So imagine running around with 49 grams on one side of your hand and 49 grams on the other side. That's just extra baggage.
Now it doesn't make a significant difference, but when it comes down to performing better, the less weight you have on you, typically the better you're going to perform. So the question is, which is better? Is it the ULTRAboost or is it the PureBOOST? Now you can clearly see one has, well, can you clearly see that? Some of you should be able to clearly see this. But if you can't, I'll go ahead and bring out my ruler for you guys. And so at its peak, you are looking at roughly 5 centimeters in the ULTRAboost 5X. And then at its peak on the PureBOOST, you're looking at roughly 4 centimeters. Now, the weight, how much is this gonna weigh you? You're at, so it's roughly about 5 grams more, but you also get a centimeter more boost. So the question is, which is better? Now, are you able to notice the difference in your feet? I mean, I know you can notice the difference in your wallet, because this is gonna set you back, without a sale, $180. This will set you back $130. So for me, my personal preference is going to be the Light Boost that they use in the PureBOOST. So now, not to say this isn't a great shoe, either one. You can go with either one, but I just find that this is just better overall.
All right, so as far as being able to slip these on with no hands, if you got them pre-laced like how I do, you shouldn't have a problem getting these bad boys on. I do recommend going half a size up, just so you can have a little bit more space, a little extra boost. As far as extra height, at its peak, you're looking at roughly a little under 2 inches. So you get about, I say, 1.5 inches conservatively. And then as far as taking these off with no hands, yeah, you can do that.
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
That's good. And since we got them, might as well show you guys. At the peak of these, you're looking at roughly 1.5 inches. And this is the women's 10. And then for the men's 10.5.